Let's talk about what is ASP.NET Web API. ASP.NET Web API uses HTTP as its communication protocol. Since HTTP is lightweight and flexible, and it can be used by clients like browsers, mobile devices, and even a desktop application. That's why it becomes a powerful platform for building APIs that expose services and data. ASP.NET Web API is a framework for creating web APIs on top of the .NET framework, and it's part of ASP.NET MVC 4.0. Software used in here are Microsoft Visual Studio 2012, 2013, 2017, ASP.NET Web API 2.0, Windows 8, and MS SQL Server Express. To create API project in Visual Studio 2012, you will also need to install Web API project template. You can do that by using nueget Visual Tool from Extension Manager, or you can use nueget Console 2 for this purpose. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in next lecture.